it.
Oh. Come on, get it. Reach, reach. Good job. Good catch. Are you going to throw it to Mommy?
Come here.
Oh, you're going to throw it to Abby? Good throw. Good throw. Let's help it over. All right, I'll get it for her. Oh, sorry, baby girl. All right, Abs, coming your way. Are you all done already? Olivia's all done already? Wow, you don't want to play ball?
Abby, your thing's in the water.
You do want to play ball.
Olivia.
Do you think Daddy should throw some ball? Oh, Abby's going to throw some ball. Here it comes. Grab it! Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll do all the hard work.